Hi guys, my name is Gideon, and today I'll be showing you basic GitHub workflow. That is, we are going to create a simple program, also create a GitHub repo for it, um, push our first program into our master branch on GitHub, then create a separate feature branch, and then make some changes to the main program, and then push it again to GitHub, create our first PR, then merge it. So that will complete the basic workflow of what you're going to do on this tutorial. So I'll go to my GitHub account, then create a new repository. So the program we are going to create is called is a simple Ruby program for just a simple calculator in Ruby. So just name it calculator. Yes, so create a repo. So this is the link to our GitHub. I'll just copy that link, go to my terminal. So git clone that, enter. Yes, so you clone our repository. So cd into calculator ls. So we have nothing, our repo is clean because it's empty. So before we begin, let me just edit something. So that's it. So let's create our first program. So I'll just say let's create that file touch calc.rb join calc.rb. So class calculator. So I'll just do a basic so I'll just define the class for now. So if you do now git status, you'll see that we have one attract file. So in order for us to push this file, we need to first add it to git on our local git here, then commit it, add a commit message, and then push it to a master branch. So I'll just say, in order to add it, just say git add calc.rb. So if you do now git status, our file is not green anymore, it's not red anymore. So right now it's green. So right now we say this file has been added to staging. So let's add a commit message. So git commit -m. So just say basic structure. Let's say calculator. So that will be our commit message. So so now let's push it to our master branch. Git push origin master. Yes, so right now if I refresh this repo, you can see that we have this file that we created, and it has this commit message calculator basic structure. So if you open it, you'll see that we just have a simple class definition of our calculator. Okay, so right now it's time to create our new feature branch, in which we will add a simple functionality to this calculator class. So still on our local repo, so git status, I think git branch. As you can see, we are on our master branch because it has this asterisk on its left side. So in order to branch off to another branch, so you just say git checkout -b, and then our branch name. So since you're going to add an addition function, an addition method into the calculator class, so we'll just name it ft a addition method. Yeah, so git, so right now if we check the branch that we are currently in, it will be ft addition method, so in this main feature. So git branch, yeah, so this is the active branch right now. So we'll reopen our file, then calc.rb, and then edit our calculator class. So let's add this method. So we just say def add, let's say num1, num2. Let's just name it a, b. Just say a plus b. So in Ruby you don't have to explicitly add a return statement. So so let's see if this program works. So we'll just say calc, let's initialize this class, calculator dot new, then calc, let's just say put calc dot add 1 2 escape. Now save it. So just going to say Ruby calc.rb, so it should give us 3. So let's clean our code. Let's remove this initialization. Escape, save. So if we do git status, you'll see that modified. So again, we have to follow the same procedure that we did before. So just say git add calc.rb, git. If we do git status again, you can see that it is now staged, but we need to add a commit message. So git commit -m add addition method. So right now let's just push it. So git push origin. So when you're on that feature branch, you have to push it to the feature branch, not to the master branch now. So we'll just say git push origin. Our feature branch is called ft addition method. Press enter. Now again, if we okay, so Git has even given us, so as you can see, ft addition method less than a minute ago. So what you're going to do is that so if we look at this branch, just reload it. We have this on our branch list. We have ft addition method. If you click on it, it will show you that this branch is one commit ahead of master. That's because this one commit contains the additional feature that we added, the add method that we added. So let's create our first pull request. As you can see here, we have compare and pull request. So we are going to compare it against the base branch. Is the branch that you want to merge this feature into. So we are taking the feature from this branch into this branch. So I hope you get that. So base branch and the comparison branch. So just leave it like this, and addition method. Then we just need to give a brief description of what does this method do, or what do we want to propose into the master branch. So just say I added addition method to sum up two numbers. Okay. Yeah, I added an addition method to sum up two numbers. So then you when you're done giving the brief description, you click on create pull request. Now here we have some tabs over here. We have conversation. This is where let's say somebody is reviewing your code. This person will leave comments here. And then we have commits. This will show you the commits on this PR. So a pull request is where you hold the changes that you've done and somebody can see them in a logical manner or in a clear way. So you have this one commit message. Let's say we add several commits. They will appear here. 1, 2, 3. They will be listed over here. Then leave it checks. That's for, let's say, cycle CI, Travis CI, any checks that you want to do on your code before you merge it. Then the files change now will show you the files that you modified. So it will show you what was there previously and what you added. So as you can see, this is what we add. So let me just split it. Apply, reload. Yeah, so I like this view. So as you can see, on the left is what was there previously, on the right is what we have currently. Okay, so let's say our PR was reviewed and it was approved. You can now just come here and click on merge pull request. But here we have several options. We have create a merge commit, squash and merge, rebase and merge, but that's for later. So we'll just click on. For now, we'll just use a squash and merge, and then click on it, then confirm. So we'll just say pull request successfully merged and close, delete branch. So if we click on code, we will see that our master branch now has two commits. So if you click on this section here of two commits, you will see that this was the first commit message that we pushed, that we created, which was just to create the basic structure of the calculator class. And then the second commit was from our feature branch, and that is add addition method. And aside on it, you can see that we have this #1. So this was the PR. So what I like about this question mark is that you can, when you browse through commits, you can actually click on it and it will take you back to the PR that add that changes. So you can see the changes, you can see also the reviews that were given, you can see everything. That's why I like using question merge. Okay, so that is it for today. Before I end this tutorial, let's go back to our terminal. So git, so we'll check out to master, and then now do git pull to get the changes from our remote master into our local master branch. So git pull origin, specify the branch name master, so that will pull the changes in your remote branch into your local branch, so that they can be in sync. So if you do vim calc.rb, you can see now that our master branch has the changes that we are now in sync with the remote master branch. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope this will get you started. Leave comments, suggestion, I can improve on this. Yeah, basically just feedback. Yeah, so thanks.